The unusual thing about today was that I spent all of my day sleeping. Now you might say that, come on, that's not a big deal. Don't know for what reason, but I really hate sleeping in the daytime. I will try to explain this point, but I think the light here is not good enough, so I'll have to change my location. So this is what's happening right now. I'm heading up to a friend's place and it's pretty dark, so I'll follow up with shooting videos in all the good spots where there's good enough light. To start with, we definitely lose some good hours. Which definitely can be used to do some work. It's like missing a chance to be productive with not getting things done. And by the way, 90% of the reason why I do not like sleeping in the daytime is very personal. I don't know why this is, but if I sleep in the daytime and I wake up in the evening, I will feel like shit. I will just not feel good. What's up? You shift again, huh? New house. You're working on something?
Yes.
The analog mouse.
Yes.
Yeah, he's always doing something. That's so great. Check out this gaming PC, right?
Yes. It has a 1060 i5 7400, 8GB RAM, 120GB SSD and 1TB HDD.
I also have a gaming laptop. Swastik knows about it. I was waiting for this thing since almost 8 to 9 months.
Since February or March.
I do a lot of video editing and CAD designing and things like that, which take up a lot of processing and memory. So doing that on the older PC was so difficult. I had to stay super patient. But with this thing, I can not only work in a fluid motion, but I can also switch between softwares, multitasking. Plus, the processor is so strong that, let's say for example, I'm making a 5-minute video. So I make the sequence, I edit everything, and then it's time for rendering. So for a 5-minute video, it will take 5 minutes. It's almost
real time.
It's almost real time. Till now, I have not noticed any kind of a lag or a jittering.
Did you ever notice any overheating or?
Yeah, overheating was there because I was kind of using it at its. I was getting mad with this thing.
Okay.
So I was running the music, the video was rendering, uTorrent was running up, it was downloading some.
Okay, so you do piracy.
Of course. Who does not do piracy? See, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already 4 software are pirated. Of course, when you have an option to get something for free, you're not dumb enough to pay for something that's free. So never mind, don't take it personally.
Adobe developers.
Yeah. Adobe developers, SolidWorks. I'm sorry, I really like your softwares, they are really good, but I am really not in a position to pay that much of an amount that you ask for. Anyway, maybe in the future when I be rich, I'll buy everything. So, I was saying, I was using my music, picture editing software, video rendering software, the uTorrent thing was going on, Chrome browser was going on, and I was kinda just having fun on SolidWorks, just going through my older project. And I got a notification because I was having my music and I couldn't even hear that the fans were running at full speed. See, ideally you can hear the speed on these fans because it's pretty loud. So I'll show you. Is that hearable?
Yes, I think that's hearable.
Yeah, you can feel it, especially when you are in a closed room like I do. It was running at full speed and this was 99 degrees. I was like,
wow.
Am I boiling over?
You are 1 degree away from burning up your laptop. Overheating is the main problem of gaming laptops.
Yeah, overheating does happen. So
yes.
Yeah, if you are going to buy a Predator, overheating will happen. But that will happen only if you're going crazy with it. That's all from my side. Let's see what Swastik has. He has got all the code and everything running. I do understand some part of it, like the logical part of it, but I'm not really good at Python. The thing is, everyone who makes something, who has an aspiration to make something, they will have one box which has stuff like this, and it's so interesting to go through these boxes. Someone else's box. Oh, let's do that. So yeah, this is his project that he's working on, the mouse thing. This board, would you explain what this is in short?
So basically this is a board and there's a camera somewhere inside. So this board is, this is a Raspberry Pi and it's connected to a camera.
Yeah.
And the Raspberry Pi uses machine learning and OpenCV to recognize faces and like make a fully automatic face attendance system.
Yeah, that's cool, man. Okay, I'll take this one off and let's see what's here.
Oh shit, there's my watch. I was like, I couldn't find it since a lot of time.
Oh, you were searching for it?
Yes.
Yeah, say thanks to me.
Thank you.
Battery charger, tape, servo motor, soldering iron tip, some connectors, batteries, tons of batteries, man. 3 new batteries. He never runs out of power. LEDs, glue stick, cocaine. No, this is LED. I'm sorry, kidding. He has one more box, but
That looks pretty useless.
no, it does not. I'm still interested to see what's in that, but we have a time constraint on this video, so never mind. Next time, bro.
Wait, I'll play some song.
Oh. The bass is really strong. Noise cancellation काफी अच्छा.
नहीं सुना देता है, मम्मी बुलाती है, कोई भी बुलाता है तो कोई मर रहा रहेगा ना अगले कमरे में तो भी नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा.
Hey, so that is all for this video, and it was a great day. It didn't start quite well, but it sure ended good. So that's all for this video, and I will really see you in the next one.